I want us to pray for Japan.
The new year has brought panic in Japan. A 7.6 magnitude earthquake struck the country. A tsunami warning was issued. High waves were reported in several areas.
What I know in Japan is Tokyo. There are a number of things that are happening in the earth right now. You're hearing people dying of earthquakes and all of that. I saw a disaster hit Japan, okay? And we need to pray for them. We need to pray for Japan.
The visuals coming in from Japan are scary, to say the least. Take a look. A 7.6 magnitude earthquake struck Japan on the 1st of January 2024. The epicenter was in the country's Noto region. The tremors sparked fires. Buildings collapsed. Trains shook violently. This footage captures the exact moment the earthquake hit. In Nagano, you can see the quake jolting snow from buildings.
Officials now assessing the damage, searching for anyone trapped. Tens of thousands without electricity and hundreds sleeping outside in below freezing temperatures.
Yeah, that's why we are called the light of the world. That's why we are called the salt of the earth. Sometimes these things go ahead and they happen, but because we've prayed, trust me, the impact is not as what it would have been if there was no prayer at all. Okay?